Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mario and this is my Supra Adventures. Today we're going to be covering a small upgrade to the interior of my A90 Supra. More specifically, the IND Distribution blue engine start button. So without further ado, let's go. So before we start today's video, I know that there's a few videos floating around online that claim that you can use this putty-like material to extract the factory engine start button. And I'm not going to necessarily claim that that does not work. But the method I'm going to be using today actually is a little bit more in-depth and prevents you from breaking any clips along the way. I'm also going to be giving away a blue engine start button, just like the one you see in today's video, sponsored by our friends at IND Distribution. Stick around till the very end to learn how you can win one. Before we get started, here's a list of items that you'll need for this install. So as you can see, the blue IND engine start button really adds some color and depth to the interior of this very plain A90 Supra interior, which honestly is one of my biggest complaints because I just think there's so much more potential to the things that we can do to this car. As mentioned earlier in this video, I'll be giving away this blue IND engine start button to one lucky winner. Follow the Instagram link in my video description below to enter. I'd also like to take a moment to thank IND Distribution for sponsoring today's video. Check out their website to get a full lineup of premium BMW and Supra parts. Now back to the video. If you liked what you saw today, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next venture. Thanks for watching.